Most Python tutorials start with theory. This one starts with code. In this playlist, you will not just learn Python, you will become a Python programmer. Every video we solve a real problem. Every concept we write actual code. By the end of this playlist, you will be confident enough to build real software, automation tools, and backend systems. Let's write our first Python program right now. So what is Python? Python is not just a language. Python is a tool to tell computers what to do. A lot of companies use Python to automate servers, build websites, analyze data, build AI systems. But Python itself is very simple. And let me prove that to you. I've already opened my editor and I'm creating a file called episode1.py. That's how you create a Python file. You need to append .py at the end of the file name as an extension. Python code is read top to bottom, like English. So I'm going to write print hello all. And I will save this. Now this single write already does a lot. Print is a built-in Python function. It takes text and sends it to the screen. Let's run it. Okay, congratulations. You just wrote your first Python program. So what just happened? Python did three things. It read the line, understood print, displayed the message. No compilation, no complex setup, just execution. Now let's modify the program a bit and let's add a couple of more print lines, okay? I will write, we are learning Python. Let's add one more line to it. And we will say, we are going to become an expert Python programmer. All right, let's save it up. Now, if you'll carefully look at the execution now, you will see that Python executes line by line. So every programmer learns by changing code. So I will request you to never be afraid to break things. Let's run this again. Voila. Hello all. We are learning Python. We are going to become an expert Python programmer. You see the output on the screen. I would like to give you a mini challenge here. You can pause the video and try to print your name, print your goal, and print why you are learning Python. Don't copy, type it all. In the next video, we will talk about variables, memory, and how Python remembers data. This is where real programming starts. Subscribe if you want to build real software, not just watch tutorials. See you in episode 2. Thank you.